New listings here in Airdrie seen a significant improvement in the month of February. However, despite the surge, the sales to new listing ratio still remains high here. Keep watching and learn how the real estate market was here in Airdrie. Okay, let's talk the benchmark price here in Airdrie. So for the month of February, the benchmark price was $529,700. So when we compare that to last month, it's a 1% increase. When we compare it to last year, this time February, it's a whopping 10% increase. So last year, this time, homes were at $479,700. That's a significant difference. Another one to talk about is the detached home. So that's kind of the more popular homes here in Airdrie. So detached home benchmark price was at $621,000 for the month of February. So new listings here in Airdrie, we've seen 182 new homes come onto the market. So it was a bit of a difference from last month. It had upticked, but not significant enough to really notice. In fact, inventory lows are currently half of what they were in 2006 for the month of February. Look at the actual homes. So actual homes on the market for February was 160. And then when we look at the homes sold, that 135 homes sold. When we look at the sales to list ratio, that's 74%. So sales to list ratio means what the homes are listed for and what they're actually selling for. That's the ratio. So keep in mind, 74% may not seem significant, but when we compare it to Canada, Canada was at 59%. So that's a pretty big jump for sales to list. So for homes, that's the sale price versus what the list price is, 74%. So the next one we're looking at is the days on the market. So the average days on market here in Airdrie are 28 days. So that's less than a month. So if you were to put your home on the market today, you'd most likely sell less than a month. If you're not, if it's sitting, it could be that you're in a higher price point. It could be that maybe you're priced too high. It could be that your home's just not ideally what most buyers are looking for. Months of supply, we are at 1.19. So that is telling me that is just over 4 weeks of supply. So again, very low inventory, very low supply. So if every home was to, if new homes were to stop coming on the market today, within 4 to 5 weeks, all homes would be off the market. Is this a seller balanced or buyer's market? I think if you were to look at all this data, it is still a seller's market here in Airdrie. So if you're looking to sell your home, now is that great opportunity to do so. As we lead into the spring, we are seeing more homes come onto the market. So you may not be the only home on the blocks being sold. So that could add a little bit of competitiveness in, could probably even time it that you're putting your home up just as one goes pending. So there you have it, folks. That is the Airdrie Market Report. It's pretty clear that demand is still outpacing supply. If you have any real estate questions, feel free to call, text, or email me. Always happy to chat. If you want to know your local neighborhood real estate data and what homes are selling for in that area, feel free to reach out and let me know. I can set you up on a market report that comes to your inbox every month and tells you what your neighbor sold for.